just I didn't think that I could do it. We specialize in helping small businesses and entrepreneurs bring their brand to vision through high quality elevated merchandise.
She brought gifts. I didn't like how I started it. Hey, y'all, it's Summer Christiana. Welcome to Cocktails and Collabs in Forest Park at 111 Studios. Today, I'm here with Nicole Pannell, and she brought gifts. She's going to go ahead and tell us all about her entrepreneurial journey. Go ahead, take it away, Nicole.
Yes, I'm Nicole Pannell with Love in a T-Shirt Printing Studio. We specialize in helping small businesses and entrepreneurs bring their brand to vision through high quality elevated merchandise. So we offer custom T-shirts, hats, hoodies, mugs, also branded promotional items such as backpacks, polo shirts, mouse pads. So you can get those products in 3 forms such as sublimation, DTF printing, and embroidery.
Cool. So tell me, how did you start in your business? And I'm going to start opening it. Is that okay?
That's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
I have another business and I have to be out of the house. So I wanted something to be inside the house and also for something for my kids to help me with as well. So, you just never know if, your husband has to get sick and you have to be at home,
Right.
trying to just prepare in case, not trying to say that anything's going to happen.
You never know though. Yeah.
I just want to be prepared and I can still make a living inside the home. So that's how I started. And with starting it, I see that my children have a passion for it too. My son, he's my little assistant. My daughter is my videographer, and my husband and my parents, they're the best supporters of all.
Wow. So where did the idea come from to do custom creations in particular?
Well, the name of the business is Love in a T-shirt. So I want to spread love throughout the community. So love stands for building legacy, giving opportunities, amplifying your voice, and elevating to the next level.
And there's a saying on this one. Is this a saying that you go by, or?
Yes, different doesn't mean wrong. So yes, that you're different, you still you. It doesn't matter what everybody else thinks.
And tell me about your other business venture.
That is NDP Legal Services. I'm a process server. I serve legal documents. So from divorce decrees, child support, lawsuits, garnishments.
Well, give me a little bit of history about where you come from.
Sure. I was born in Baltimore, Maryland. I moved to New Jersey when I was about 3, and then I moved to Georgia when I was 12.
And what brought you here in particular?
I moved here with my family and my parents. So, but my mom, my dad, he wanted to be more closer to my grandmother.
Cool. And what I see that you started building this here. What was your first step in all of this?
The first step is, just having an idea. It took a while for it to actually start, say, oh, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Then I was like, okay, all right, I'm going to start it this year, but still hadn't really put anything into place. So I went to an event and the lady, she had on a T-shirt with her logo on it. And so I was like, oh, well, what, who get us your shirts? And she said, oh, well, somebody does it, but I would like to get something else. So I was like, okay, contact me. And so she contacted me and she was like, well, I want, such and such, such and such. I was like, okay, great. So I was like, oh, I didn't even have a heat press. Like, I didn't have a clue, like, what, what a heat press was and what type of, how to get the design onto the garment. So that just started everything. I was like, okay, all right, I got to get it through. And so I gave her a quote and she was like, okay, all right. Unfortunately, she didn't go ahead and go with me, but that still started everything.
Right.
So I got everything, got my LLC, got everything started up.
So for viewers that are watching that want to get into the business of custom creations or even just a T-shirt line or anything like that, what are some things that you encourage them to do?
Just believe in yourself. That was the main thing. It was my other business. It kind of fell in my lap because my mom has a business as well, which she does this.
Family of entrepreneurs.
Yes.
Okay.
So I kind of just, went under her because my job had ended. It was working at home and that had ended. So I needed something to do. So I was like, okay, all right, well, let me work for mom, So did that and went ahead and just started as my own business as well. So I didn't think that I could do it. So I was like, let me try it. Because, you normal have the 9 to 5. Right. That's all you used to. You got to go to work for somebody else. So I was like, okay, let me try it on my own.
So your legal journey, did you start with having a 9 to 5 with that? Did you go to college? Give me a little bit of insight about how your legal journey started.
Got it. It's well, you have to get certified in each county that you want to serve in. So I am currently certified in 7 counties
Wow.
in Georgia. So you can still serve throughout Georgia because can serve without a certification in certain aspects of it. But normal day to day, you have to be certified in each county.
Do you have to take a test for each county?
Yes. To be actually a process server, you have to take a 12-hour training, and then you have to take the certification test. So after you take that, then you have to get appointed for each county that you're in. And so that's kind of it's an application process for those.
Are you doing that independently?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Give me a little bit of insight about that too.
Sure. So my clients are attorney firms and HOA, Homeowners Association. So just reach out to attorneys to see what they need. Unfortunately, there's debt out there.
Do you have any particular stories from being in law that have helped you navigate through your customization business?
Yes, definitely the customer service aspect of it, because people with debt, they're like, why are you knocking on my door? Why are you knocking at my door? So, just have to explain, why I'm there, actually for that person, why I'm there. So that correlates to the customer service with Love in a T-shirt is to make sure that you are fulfilling the order and making sure that it is there timely.
Awesome. And make sure you give us your social media, any way that we can contact you.
Okay. Yes. You can reach Love in a T-shirt at loveinatshirt.com. And I am also on all socials at Love in a T-shirt.
All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Nicole Pannell, she came on in, brought gifts, customizations, and she even does your legal work. Make sure you follow her on Instagram to keep up with her. Summer may only be one season, but stick with me where it's summer year round. I'll see y'all next time.
Thank you.